Good morning. Today is April 7th, 2025. It is the second week of April. NFP, well, first week of April, but last week was NFP, so I don't know. It felt like the second week. But I am currently looking at this gold supply right here. It is attached to a 15-minute supply right there as well. But the only thing is we are kind of in a range if you're looking at the past right here in London session. And also it's pretty it's in a range on the 15-minute as well. On the 1 hour we are pretty bearish, and I feel like we are going to keep dropping just because gold has been so bullish for the past 3 months. So I feel like this could be a nice little opportunity to sell to this hour demand right here, which is like right here, but also this 15-minute demand right here as well. But I'm not sure if it's going to hold the zone, but this is what I'm looking at. I am going to enter at the break of candle. Like I said, this setup isn't the best. It's just in a very rangy place right now. But I do think we are going to keep pushing down. On the 1 minute, we look pretty bearish as well on the 1 minute. And then on the 5 minute. But I'm thinking that these AMAs will hold up. I'm not sure really. But let's see how big stop losses if we okay, that's not too bad. And then that's not too bad. But this is what I'm looking at right now. Going to see if it holds.
Tab.
It did tab. You have to zoom in. So I'm looking at S&P right now. We have this demand right here and it looks good. It's just that I don't like where the 200 is at. And we have a breakup structure, we have the gap filled in, and then the only thing is we are in the middle of the EMA, the 200 EMA, but we have this 15-minute demand right here. We have a double top on the 1 hour, double bottom on the 1 hour, which is like confluence for me to buy. And when I say we buy on the break, what do you think?
Hey, it didn't tap though. Are you on the 5 minute?
Emily, it did tap. If you zoom in, it tapped.
The 555.
The 555 is the demand candle, and then the 845 candle is what tapped.
845.
Let's see.
Oh wait, I was looking at that.
No, I'm talking about S&P. The only thing is this is a very big stop loss. Yeah, the stop loss is pretty big. Decisions. What do you think, Emily? Are we willing to lose?
Yeah, I think it looks good.
You think it looks good?
Yeah.
You think it's gonna like go back? It's gonna like. Well, do you think it's like a good trade to take?
Yeah. We're gonna do it on the break of candle.
We have 23 seconds to decide. We have, what do you think? We have 6 seconds.
Say we do it.
Okay. I'm in. Right here. Are you in?
Yeah.
Okay. The stop loss got smaller, which is nice. But this is what I'm in. The only thing is I didn't like the 200 EMA being like there, but everything else kind of lines up. Let's look at the 1 minute. The 1 minute looks pretty good.
Are you holding for 101?
Yeah, just 101.
So it already hit 101?
No, not yet.
Damn, I was up 70. And it barely was like there.
We just gotta wait. It's because we risked like $100 on this trade, Emily. Okay, let's see. We have to break this resistance area right there. You see the resistance area? For this to like win, of course. But let's just see. This was definitely like a very quick trade to think, right? Because we were just like, okay, we have to make our decision. But I do like this trade because look at the 15-minute. It just looks so good. You know, EMAs are below. The 1 hour looks good too. It looks like it could just fill in gaps above. A lot of gaps above. So let's see what gold did. Gold invalidated. Honestly, I didn't even like gold that much, but it was there, the setup, but I didn't really feel like 100% confident in that trade just because of how we look. But I honestly feel like, yeah, S&P just looks so much better. But we gotta see. We know our risk, Emily. Our risk is definitely a little bit higher. But I only entered in one contract as well because this was definitely not a trade to take 2 or 3 contracts in if we want to risk like $300, but
Wait, it's 300?
no. It would be if we did do like 3 contracts. It would be like $300. But that's why I was like, I'm not confident enough to take a $300 loss right now. I mean, I'm not like okay to do that right now. Okay. Let's look at the 1 minute. Okay. Hopefully the 1 minute EMAs can hold, but we gotta just see. Gotta let it breathe. Gotta let these trades breathe, you know. People be like, even me, I still struggle with drawdown sometimes, but you really just gotta be okay with what you risk. And I am okay with what I risk on this trade because I did like the 15-minute and the 1 hour of what I saw. Now we just have this 13 and 200 EMA to imagine if we just get like a big push up.
I don't think it's gonna go up. There's no news.
I wonder if people took the same trade as this. Like, I wonder if people went long on this setup.
I'm sure.
For sure, right? I'm just gonna let it touch my stop loss because, like, if it's right there, then okay.
Damn, 130.
So this, you lost 130?
Yeah.
Okay, this was a 121 loss for me. Yeah. I feel like I can breathe. What is gold doing? What did Nas do? Okay. So that was crazy. I mean, it is what it is, but it was a trade that I did really think it was going to now I guess didn't think it was gonna hold because you just don't know, but it was just a trade where I was okay, like this is a decision to make really quick. It's gonna either work out or not, but I do think it's going to keep pushing up. But the only thing, like I said in the beginning, was I didn't like where the EMA was. The 200 EMA was just flat, and this could be a sign of consolidation, you know, just having a range right now. And it is only 904, which is, it's very early still, but it's just didn't work out. Let's see what the 4 hour, you know, like everything really, the daily, I wasn't paying attention too much to the daily just because it's just looks so bad. Like we are very bearish on the daily, but that was that. I am down for the month. I took one loss last week on NFP. I did post it, I think, yeah, on my on here on YouTube, and it was, where is it? Oh, no. It was last week, but it was on Monday, which was the last day of March. And that's when I was like, okay, I lost. This is the first trade I have taken this month so far. And it was a good trade. I can say it was a good trade. 121.82. So let's put that in. What's today? The 7th. It always sucks losing on a Monday, though. So 121.82. So yeah, today is the first trade I've taken this month. I'm not trading no more just because, well, I'm not trading today. I'm done with this trade just because I'm not willing to risk another $100 on another trade. You in the background. But yeah, that is it for today. I will see you guys tomorrow. I think CPI is on Thursday, which, let's see. Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah, CPI is on Thursday, so I don't know if I want to really trade on Thursday, but I know I won't be trading Wednesday, but tomorrow I will be trading, and Friday for sure, so we'll see what Thursday brings. But yeah, that is it for today. I hope you guys made some money. If not, that's okay, because same. I will see you guys tomorrow. Take care and stay safe. Bye.